This video actually shows a carpet being cleaned by bonnet cleaning. And take a look at this pad. Isn't this something else? It just goes to show you that you don't always need steam clean hot water system, which by the way we carry. Advantage to this one is that the carpet dries quicker. 98% dry by the time I leave your home. Smells just amazing. Take a look. Can you tell me what's done and what's not done here? Look at this. Look at this. See this last part here? It's not done yet. And let's see a part that's done. So let's try and make a difference here. Here we go. You see that line there? We got a line there, right there. So this is why you should call Jones Multinet at 514-704-3947. Have yourselves a good day.